In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project template in ClickUp. If you regularly build the same kind of project over and over, creating a template can save a lot of time and help your team stay consistent. Instead of recreating the same structure manually, you can turn an existing setup into something reusable in just a few clicks. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that using a list in ClickUp. To get started, open the list that contains the project setup you want to reuse. This should be a list that already includes the structure you want future projects to follow. For example, it may already have the right tasks, statuses, views, fields, or automations in place. Starting with a well-organized list is important, because your template will reflect what's currently there. Once you're inside the correct list, look for the ellipsis icon next to the list name. This is the three-dot menu that opens additional options for managing that list. Go ahead and click it to continue. From that menu, find Templates, and then choose Save as Template. This tells ClickUp that you want to capture the current list setup and turn it into something you can use again later. It's a simple step, but it's where your existing project begins to become a repeatable framework. Next, enter a name for your project template. Choose a name that clearly describes what the template is for, so it's easy to recognize later. A clear naming convention can be especially helpful if you plan to create multiple templates for different workflows or departments. After naming the template, you'll choose what content to include. ClickUp lets you decide whether to save the project's views, tasks, custom fields, and automations. This part is worth reviewing carefully. If you want a full project structure that's ready to go, include everything you need. If you prefer a lighter starting point, you can be more selective. The best choice depends on how much of the original setup should carry over into future projects. Then, set the visibility for the template. This determines who can access it. Depending on how your workspace is organized, you may want to keep the template private or make it available to others so your team can use the same setup. Choosing the right visibility helps keep templates organized and accessible to the right people. Finally, click Save Template. Once you do that, your project template will be stored in ClickUp and ready to use whenever you need to launch a similar project again. That's all it takes to create a project template in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.